Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Sony continues to push the boundaries of camera technology, and the anticipated release of the Sony FX3 II in Q2 2025 is no exception. As the successor to the beloved FX3, the FX3 II positions itself as a revolutionary tool for filmmakers. Let's dive into what this new cinema camera has to offer. The original FX3, launched in 2021, became a favorite among video creators due to its compact size, professional-grade video capabilities, and ergonomic design. Inspired by Sony's Alpha line, particularly the A7S III, it was tailored for high-end video production. With the FX3 II, Sony refines this winning formula by addressing previous limitations and introducing features that enhance its professional cinema-grade appeal. The Sony FX3 II is expected to retain its predecessor's compact, lightweight design, making it ideal for handheld shooting, drone work, and gimbal setups. Rumors suggest ergonomic improvements, including a better grip and more intuitive button placement. One of the most exciting potential additions is an optional electronic viewfinder, which would provide enhanced stability and precision, perfect for those who prefer it over an LCD monitor. A major upgrade in the FX3 II is its improved cooling system. Sony is reportedly moving to a fanless design with superior thermal performance, reducing recording noise and enabling longer shoots even under demanding conditions. At the core of the FX3 II lies its rumored 12-megapixel full-frame sensor. While this resolution may seem modest, it's optimized for exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range, making it a powerful tool for professional filmmakers. One game-changing feature anticipated in the FX3 II is the inclusion of a global shutter. If implemented, this technology would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, making the camera ideal for action-packed sequences and fast-moving shots. Traditionally found in high-end cinema cameras, integrating a global shutter into the compact FX3 II would be groundbreaking. The FX3 II is also expected to support 4K recording at up to 180 FPS, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. There are whispers about possible 8K recording capabilities, though this remains unconfirmed. Even without 8K, the FX3 II's focus on high-quality 4K video ensures an excellent balance between resolution and manageable file sizes, perfect for professional workflows. With 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, filmmakers can expect rich, detailed footage that allows for extensive post-production flexibility. Sony's color science has evolved significantly in recent years, and the FX3 II is expected to deliver natural skin tones, vibrant yet realistic colors, and improved tonal gradations. Achieving cinematic results straight out of the camera will be easier than ever, thanks to these enhancements. In terms of low-light performance, the FX3 II is rumored to excel, thanks to its large pixels and advanced sensor design, producing minimal noise at high ISOs. This makes it an ideal choice for wedding videographers, documentarians, and those shooting in challenging lighting conditions. Regarding pricing and release, the Sony FX3 II is expected to cost between $3,800 and $4,200, reflecting a slight increase over its predecessor. This price bump is justified by the numerous enhancements and capabilities it brings to the table. The release is expected in mid-2025, aligning with Sony's tradition of mid-year launches. While the FX3 II introduces cutting-edge features, it retains the strengths of the FX3, including 5-axis in-body stabilization and a fully articulating LCD screen. This ensures a seamless transition for current FX3 users. However, the arrival of the FX3 II raises questions about the future of Sony's A7S line. With the FX3 and FX3 II offering superior video capabilities, Sony might phase out the A7S series to better differentiate between its hybrid and cinema camera offerings. The Sony FX3 II isn't just an upgrade. It's a bold statement. By blending compact design with innovations like a global shutter, internal ND filters, and possibly 8K recording, Sony is setting new benchmarks in the cinema camera market. As we await its official unveiling, one thing is clear: the FX3 II is set to revolutionize compact filmmaking. In addition to the FX3 II, Sony has unveiled its latest sensor breakthrough, the 247-megapixel IMX811 AQR medium format sensor. Designed for professional imaging applications, this sensor boasts 247 million effective pixels, offering detail far beyond current digital cameras. The IMX811 AQR sensor provides unparalleled clarity, capturing fine details such as tiny textures, subtle color variations, and intricate elements within a scene. This high-resolution sensor is perfect for landscape, portrait, and industrial photography, offering stunning clarity and realism. Despite its massive resolution, Sony has achieved an impressive readout speed of 5.3 frames per second in full pixel mode. An engineering feat considering the immense data load. The sensor will be available in both color and monochrome variants, catering to various professional needs. The color version is ideal for photographers looking for vibrant fidelity, while the monochrome variant is perfect for scientific and industrial applications requiring high contrast and sharpness. Imagine capturing landscapes with hyper-realistic detail, where every blade of grass is rendered with perfect clarity. Portrait photography could also see a major boost, allowing photographers to capture the smallest skin textures and facial details with unmatched precision. This sensor opens new creative possibilities for professionals. The release of the IMX811 AQR sensor signals that the future of imaging is heading toward even higher resolutions and greater detail. This technological advancement could drive competitors to push their limits, leading to innovations and improvements across the industry. While the IMX811 AQR sensor may not be suitable for every type of photography, its incredible specifications make it an exciting development in sensor technology. Whether you're a photographer, scientist, or industrial imaging professional, capturing such fine details could elevate your work to new levels. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Sony FX3 II and the groundbreaking 247-megapixel sensor? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the latest in photography and technology.